Tell us about long-term sensitivity to contact lenses.
Some people find that having worn daily disposable soft contact lenses from dawn till midnight for decades, they start to find that they can no longer wear contact lenses for all that period of time, and after 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, the period of time that they can comfortably wear contact lenses gets shorter and shorter and shorter because the eyes start to get irritable and itchy and uncomfortable. And if they come to an ophthalmologist and we look at their eyes, we can have a look underneath the eyelid and we see these big lumps of papillae underneath the eyelid, and that's a reaction to the eyelid that's constantly rubbing every time you blink. Over all those decades of wearing the contact lens, it starts to get irritable and it starts to get hypersensitive to the plastic of the contact lens. And it's only by removing the contact lenses and taking them out and resting them for 3 months will these bumps and lumps that cause sticky, red, irritable eyes with swollen lids start to get better again. And then if you try wearing the contact lens again after that 3 months of break, you find it all comes back again. And then you might be thinking about either just glasses or laser eye surgery or some other form of treating the myopia.